you like to work in any Tamil, I mean, South language film?
सर मैं तो कर लूँगा, लेकिन लोग अगर मुझे बोलेंगे कि ये क्या बोल रहा है तो क्या होगा, सो उसका डर रहता है.
Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam.
Sir, they are the same for me, sir, because I don't know any of them, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Chennai.
Chennai. So you want to see me in
Tamil film.
Tamil films?
Dopati is my first baby as a producer. I'm very excited but very nervous.
सो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल वंस अगेन. न्यूज़ बफ में आपका स्वागत है. और जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि न्यूज़ बफ की टीम तो क्या मतलब मैं ही हूँ, तो मैं पहुंच गया हूँ आईफा आबू धाबी में आईफा के ग्रीन कारपेट को कवर करने. तो वहीं शाहिद कपूर और कृति सेनन का जलवा जो था ना वो मतलब बरकरार था. और कहीं ना कहीं शाहिद कपूर ने ये जरा सा हिंट दे दिया है कि वो बहुत जल्द साउथ की फिल्मों में मतलब तेलुगु सिनेमा में जो है नजर आने वाले हैं, क्योंकि उनके फैंस चाहते हैं कि वो तेलुगु सिनेमा करे. हालांकि उनको थोड़ी सी लैंग्वेज में प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन वो सब दूर हो जाती है. भाई एक्टर किस काम के होते हैं. और वहीं कृति सेनन भी इस मौके पर नजर आई. क्या क्या हुआ दोनों के बीच आइए जानते हैं.
Shahid, apart from Hindi, do you like to work in any Tamil, I mean, South language film?
सर मैं तो कर लूँगा, लेकिन लोग अगर मुझे बोलेंगे कि ये क्या बोल रहा है तो क्या होगा, सो उसका डर रहता है कि मैं गड़बड़ नहीं कर दूँ. बिकॉज हिंदी आई हैव.
Work in which language? Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam.
Sir, they are the same for me, sir, because I don't know any of them, sir. So whichever filmmaker can trust me and explain to me properly and deal with all my questions, I'll do it, sir.
We love to see you in South film.
Thank you so much, sir. Where are you from, sir?
Chennai.
Chennai. So you want to see me in
Tamil film.
Tamil films?
Yes.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Thriller. So hopefully you'll be wondering who did it till the end. It's an extremely aggressive character that I'm playing, but there are some aspects that I don't want to talk about right now. But yes, Deva is a very exciting film that I've completed, and it's also a very it's a very alive film. I think it should be able to jump out and make you feel its energy. Hopefully, if we got the right teaser and the trailer, it's out on 14th Feb, and I can't wait for the audience to give me their feedback. Entire universe to my intense performances. I never saw it like that, but I guess when you do something that you've, like you said, the word intense, right? So maybe broadly that's how people are viewing it, and one kind of understands that whenever you make a choice which is in a space that people have liked you in, the responsibility is to make it new and different. So for me, the attempt is to try and bring a new aspect of my personality without taking away from what the film needs, and I'm really excited. It's out on the 14th of Feb, and it's a thriller. It has a lot of action, and it has a very aggressive character, and it's pretty much a whodunit. So keeps you on the edge till the end, hopefully, and I'm very excited about it.
Shahid, in all these years, there has been one.
Hey Karan, what's up?
Karan sir, please join. Excuse me.
Disappeared has happened. How are you looking so good? Looking so good.
Karan sir, please
Good
join.
to see you. I had a long time with my wife, especially on about products.
Karan sir.
You didn't know about that brand?
No, I know clue. I was like, she said, "Shahid, this is so time," and I was like, "What?" And they told me. His mom told me. See, I saw that. So Meera knew this also. Said, so I invited her in recently. I was told in like 8 women. They all knew about the brand. I never heard it. Okay. Okay. Wait, we were talking about skin products.
It's all about my wife and skin products,
And I don't endorse any, so there's no conflict. Neither do I. Are you coming in or are you leaving?
I'm just walking.
तो भाई ये थे शाहिद कपूर जिन्होंने अपनी खुशी तो बता दी और अपने फैंस के लिए एक मैसेज तो दे दिया. लेकिन कृति सेनन कितनी एक्साइटेड है फॉर द आईफा, और क्या वो भी साउथ सिनेमा में जल्द आने वाली है. हालांकि उनका डेब्यू वहीं से हुआ था, लेकिन कितनी एक्साइटेड हो आईफा के लिए और आईफा के मंच पर क्या क्या करने वाले हैं आइए जानते हैं.
I mean, everything is very special, to be honest. Dopati is my first baby as a producer. I'm very excited but very nervous. I hope what we've tried to achieve, people really like it and connect with it. And there is something that we're trying to say with the film, which I hope touches people's hearts. And this is just the beginning. I mean, to be honest, I consider myself as a newcomer when you call me a producer. So it's been a learning experience, but creatively it's been really satisfying. And as an entrepreneur, I've been really enjoying. It's been 1 year of Hyphen. It's touched 100 CR of sales in 1 year, which has been amazing, which is what we had targeted when we started off. I have an amazing team that work tirelessly and are very passionate about what we do. And I'm passionate about it, which is why I'm doing it. So I feel like it's something that excites me apart from being an actor.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for wishing you all.
Thank you.
Is it very challenging being a public artist in the age of social media?
Yeah, I think obviously it is because especially now, I think when we were artists back when there was no social media, and I think I've been in the generation that has passed through it. Like I started when there was no social media, and then I entered the social media stage. So I've seen both. I think there's a lot more scrutiny on everything, what you're wearing, what you're saying, you know, where you're seen, where you're spotted, and also I feel like people are just consuming data constantly, and it also takes away from the excitement of seeing celebrities and actors as well, right? Because you're seeing them like every now and then now. So yeah, I mean there are pros and cons of both. We can obviously connect to our fans a lot more easily. We do like probably 2 films a year, but then the rest of the time we can sort of connect with them. We can also show other sides to us. So I think the pros and cons of everything, to be honest.
तो दोस्तों आज के लिए बस इतना ही। ये थी शाहिद कपूर और कृति सनोन की झलक। इसके अलावा साउथ के सुपरस्टार जितने भी, जो चिरंजीवी सर, बाकी जितने भी साउथ के सुपरस्टार हैं, उन्होंने क्या क्या शिरकत करी ग्रीन कारपेट पर, वो हमारी प्रीवियस वीडियो में प्लीज़ आप देख लीजिएगा। और अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए बने हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना न्यूज़ बफ को। और क्योंकि आईफा से रिलेटेड सारी अपडेट जो है आपको इस चैनल पे मिलने वाली है, तो इसी तरीके से बने रहिए हमारे साथ न्यूज़ बफ में। थैंक यू सो मच।